and this is my closet. I am so excited. I got my first ever Popsugar box. I believe it's quarterly, and I had maybe a 20-25% coupon, but I will flash across the screen how much it cost and how much I paid for it. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And let's get into it. Again, it comes quarterly, and I think they change it around. So I just got this, so this must be like a fall box. And I've seen YouTubers unbox it, and finally I broke down. You open it up and it says happiness delivered, and look at all those goodies in there. So this is the must-have, and this is the fall 2019, and there's a lot of goodies in there. So the first thing is a push lock medium dapple branded nickel split leather. I'm assuming it's a handbag. Oh my god, this is great. I get oh, what's the name of it? I can't even think. My handbag subscription and Balzano, and I just got a beautiful bag last month from them in black. But the great thing about these, excuse me for the making all the noise. Throw everything over here. Is this fits in the motorcycle bag perfect. So I can never have too many. It's got on the back the Cambridge Satchel Company, handmade in Great Britain. Wow. And it's got a strap. Now this is a cool bag. This was worth the price of the box. It's long strap, and as I said, you can use it at night, but I can throw it in the bike bag. So I'm absolutely loving this bag. And it's got the little Britain tag on there. This is so exciting. Okay, I will look up the prices at the end. The next thing is Maddie and May's small batch of gourmet popcorn. Oh, and it's all ready for Halloween. Now that is super cute. Now, you know, any food item that I get in any of my boxes will not be here by the time I edit the video. So this just looks awesome. And they put it in this little nice carton so it doesn't get all over everything. The next thing, oh my god, it's a brew bottle, hot and cold brew. There's the hot, and there's the cold, and oh, I gotta open this. Oh, well, maybe I don't. I have never seen anything like this. I will edit out if it's too long. I don't want to bore you. So this is the bottle. There's the top. And of course I'm going to have to read the directions because I don't cook worth a darn. But this looks like the filter. So you can pour, you put your, I guess, coffee or tea leaves or whatever you want to put in here. You pour it over there, then this comes out. Now this is fun. This is definitely road tripping. And then it's got all the directions how to make hot and cold. So 2 items I'm so impressed. Wow. The next thing, Tea Sampler Loose Leaf Teas by Bottom Teas. Look at this. So I guess I already have everything set up, and while I am editing my videos, I'm going to try the tea in the bottle. Wow. I want to order my next box already. The next thing, it's a little bag. I bet you it's jewelry. Oh, this is so exciting. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Comment below what your plans are for the week, and if you decorated your house. And you know I love to see Halloween decorations because I don't do that. So I live through everybody else. And of course I can't get it open. And I don't want to cut anything. Sorry. Okay, I got it open, and what's inside? It's got to be very tiny. Oh, I guess it's a ring. Wow. Now my nails aren't done. I normally don't do them up in Washington. But can you see that ring? Is it coming in clear? I'm not punching you. Okay. So loving this ring. I don't know if I ever got a ring in a subscription box, besides the jewelry boxes. But this ring is awesome. If you don't get this box, I think you need to get it. One in Love, organic, love and charcoal. It's a charcoal mask. I do have lots and lots of masks open, but I'll show you what this looks like. That is definitely a nice size. And, oh, and it says, P.S. there's more. Matte Revolution. I can't read this because, you know, I'm blind. Must be a lipstick. Look at the case. That is beautiful. Okay. Wow, what a neat shape. Now if you can see the shape on this, the color is definitely a robin color, but the shape on that. Okay, this just like made my day. And, ooh, there's more. I don't know what it is. Must have for health and beautiful skin, unflavored, stir up. Oh, they're packets of some sort, so hold on. Let me search and destroy. They're collagen protein, and it must be shakes. I'm looking to see how you suggested you use 1 packet of quick dissolving powder daily and mix into water, coffee, or your favorite smoothie recipe. For best results, take on an empty stomach. So I guess I am going to make that tea, and I'm going to put this in there. And then something dropped out. It's a little Vanity Fair. Oh, it's a mirror. Cute. And 75% off Beauty Back Bra. So I think that was everything in this box. I'm going to double check. Okay, that was a 5 cactus box. I don't think there is anything in this box that I would not use. This handbag, love it. And I have never seen anything like this. So when I do a video, my next video, I'm going to use that and show you what it looks like. So let's go over the prices. Sorry, I was trying to clean up my mess. And that was a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Now those I know go for close to $40. And it's at suggested retail $34. Wow, is it? Or Walk of Shame. So it either comes in Pillow Talk or Walk of Shame. This beautiful ring that I can't take off. It's Thai jewelry, adjustable gold or silver plated ring. I got the silver. And that retails for $65. The Love and Charcoal mask retails for $49. The popcorn, that gourmet popcorn, it retails for $2.99, and let's consider that gone. The Soma Brew bottle retails for $40. And here's a picture. They must have put the tea in there and poured the hot water. So I'm going to try that with one of those little packets. And then the tea retails for $9.99. And the NeoCell set of 3 collagen protein peptides, mandarin orange, pomegranate, and unflavored. Doesn't say. Those are just add-ons. I guess they're freebies. And the Vanity Fair mirror was in there. So let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know if you get this box and why you haven't twisted my arm to buy it sooner. But I am definitely going to make sure that I order. This is the fall, so probably the winter box. I will leave the price. And I usually find coupons. I don't get any credit for it. But if I find a discount coupon, I will put that on there. And you guys have an awesome day. And thanks for stopping by.